When it comes to the oil and energy industries, such as pipelines, windmills, and solar panels, we have combined some of our highest level durable drones built for the Canadian weather with some of our state-of-the-art cameras equipped with our hard and software, which enables us to determine where a pipeline is going to leak prior to it happening. For example, on these pipes, you can see the heated area, which will soon require attention. With our specially designed drones, we can set the unit to determine if a specific temperature has been reached. And through this, we can amply show the rate of deterioration. This would be an additional method to determine product wear and leakage. This is essential for preventative maintenance. We can automatically mark this point so that the maintenance unit can GPS the exact location. With our integrated flight planning map, with centimeter level accuracy, we can set the wavelength or travel points for the unit, further giving more comparison data to the client. All of this can also be captured with real-time transmission back to the situation room or to the client. From each situation room, we would be able to track the route of several drones and having flight records and other data available. Our base is in the motion picture industry, hence the need to get the best cameras in position to collect the best images. As a result, we have developed the best quality cameras with the best quality drones to get the job done. As an innovation leader, we are constantly developing new products to meet the growing needs. Our equipment is easily portable, which is great for short notice, hot-shotting emergency situations to remote areas. We are very green friendly and put off low to no GHG emissions. We know drones are the future. Give us a call and let us design the special drone for your needs. In regards to the coronavirus, we have taken all the steps to perform up to the health board standards both during and those very crucial rebuild months after the coronavirus passes.